Okay, so I had 2 outfit ideas. So I'm wearing this bodysuit that I got from Target. No, I got it from Old Navy. That's how I look on the back. And so I'm not comfortable wearing it right now. So I went downstairs and found the old jacket, and so this is the jacket I'm gonna wear. And I got this when I was in Silicon Valley, so I love it because you can't just walk in any store and get it. It's a Facebook Messenger. It's a Facebook sweater. And I regret not having the funds in high school. My mama didn't send me with enough money because I could have got a Stanford jacket. I could have got way more. But anyway, so I'm gonna wear this with it. And because of the setting of where I'm going, I think it's best that I take this necklace off because I don't think I can really wear it. We're gonna aerial yoga with my one of my college besties.
Ain't nobody.
Wave check. Hey!
You know I really thug you now, so tell me about it.
Let me show you the office. Again, I don't know if y'all remember, but this wall is supposed to be maroon burgundy type, but it's green for now. So I haven't put like certain decor up on this wall because it's not gonna, I don't have to do that just to change the color. This isn't all organized. It's some of my work stuff over here. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn this into like where my backdrop is. So I do take pictures. A lot of people don't know me as a photographer, and just when I was really getting to the thick of it and I was practicing what I learned and I was just like, I was doing pretty good. Just when that happened, that background noise is loud. But just when that started to happen, I went to grad school and it was just so time consuming. I didn't really get into photography and I wasn't really doing it. But I want to get back into it a little bit. I do like outside photography. It has its pros and cons. But I just want to do this for something like small or even for my own photos or Samir or whatever. I'm pretty sure I'm going to need a wide lens because I don't have like the space to like really stand back. We'll figure it out. But anyway, that's what I'm going to do with that. And then I'm going to have my desk right here. This room is basically going to look junky. It's not going to look like an aesthetic because this is technically my sister's desk. And then my desk is going to be right there with the wall in the background. But anyway, I'm trying to organize this room a little bit. See what I can do. For like 10 minutes before I head back out, basically. Yeah. So we already worked out. I forgot to record that part. I mean, not worked out, but we did some stretches and I missed that part. But here we are. I got this. It's vanilla Oreo bomb, oat milk instead. Yeah. So I just got home. When I tell you I'm tired, I'm so tired. And then my body hurts like right here. Like this is such a sensitive spot right here, where the fabric was wrapped around. Sensitive a little bit right here. And it's so funny because I'm doing booty boot camp tonight with Melissa Coleman. That's her page on YouTube. I mean, that's her page on Facebook. And y'all, like her transformation is from like 2 years ago to now. And the way it looks, I'm like, girl, like let me get up in there. Let me try a little something. Let me do what you was doing. I'm excited, but I'm kind of nervous because I'm also working on body recomposition. But I'm not consistent. I don't think I'm consistent enough for a body recomposition. Hold on. My underarms are waxed. And then I use the epilator for my legs most of the time. And then I haven't used this, but I tested it out on my arms. This will probably, I don't hate this, but I feel like it's definitely, I can't quite remember. I think this is better for soft hairs, like your arm. So today I had on my schedule, tomorrow was on my schedule to wax my underarms, but because I have to work, like I have to do some work tonight because we got a deadline, I'm trying to see what I can do now that's gonna save me time on the rest of my schedule. So I'm about to go ahead and wax right now. And then I want to shave my face too. Oh, I should have recorded. I should have vlogged when I was at the car dealership. So I went to the car dealership because I want a new car. But I want a new car in 2 years. I mean, I want a new car now, but realistically, 2 years. Dang, I almost poked my eyeball out. So this is what my face looks like. I'm probably just gonna clean up a little bit while I wait for the wax machine to get hot, and wait for it to get to the consistency I want. Here's what I'm trying to see. I have to make sure I ain't sit on my bed with my outside clothes. I go just to make sure what time the class start, cause she in a different time zone. And I go to my email and I see booking canceled. Like, hold on. Wait a minute. I'm gonna join the link at 7:30 anyway, and I'm gonna see. But it's gonna blow me. And it's not a one-on-one. So I don't know. But it's gonna irritate me. But there could be a misunderstanding, so I'm not gonna trip about it. Cause I could always reach out to her and see, did I miss something? But before I reach out to people, that's why I clicked the policy. Cause I'm like, let me make sure I'm not tripping. So we started. I got a little sweat on me. We've been doing sumos and stuff. And I need some more water. But it's been smooth. I ain't never shook before. My legs ain't never shook before. I'm sorry, y'all. I didn't record the workout. I was trying to focus. So I really didn't want to have to keep interrupting. But I be thinking I'm doing something with my butt workouts. It's really nice to have a trainer or have somebody that's going over the form with you. Because I do butt workouts by myself and I've felt them before. And I always adjust my form so that I can feel it in my actual butts and not my thighs. But I feel like I can't ignore it Because every time I like meet with the instructor or a trainer, I'm always feeling it in my thighs too. So I feel like it's just one of those things where it's like if I want to grow my glutes, I'm gonna have to like feel it in my thighs. But I feel it in my butt too. Certain workouts, I can feel it in my butt. But this is like one of my first times where my leg, one of my first times where my legs shaking and stuff. Like, ooh, I'm over here shaking and stuff. Hold on. I got this video. I forget her name. And I've been thinking about sending it to her. I swear I've been thinking about sending it to her. She used to do hair. Where is she at? I screen recorded her live. It was during COVID. That's a 2021 COVID. Bro, I am Alonzo Arnold. Hold on. This is me. Cause she just had a rap battle with Young Barbecue. And she was like, I'm over here shaking. I don't curse, so I ain't want to say it. So let me show you the video.
I'm doing good. I'm up here shaking the shit. BB Trina came over here. Motherfucker, we beat my ass in the damn dance battle, okay? I'm up here.
That's me. I'm over here shaking it.
Shaking a little bit. Woo.
That's me. Bro, this live was hilarious. I want to send it to her so bad, but I'm scared. Well, okay, I really don't know her pronouns. I thought it was her, but I don't know if her, like, I want to send it to them so bad. But let me tell you, somebody said something about her hat, bro.
You wearing the same off-white hat, like, well, bitch, stay tight. You look tight, bitch.
So,
you bitch.
like, when I tell you she went in after that, I was like, whoa. I had to keep on recording. I couldn't even stop. Just had to keep on going. Here, Samir. You want food? Food? Look, Samir. You hungry? Hungry? Or you thirsty? No, you must be hungry. Here. Take that. Put that in the trash. So anyway, that's my day today. We'll see whatever other events I end up going to, what other events I end up having. But today was pretty productive. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, y'all might remember this. And I wore this for my birthday vlog. If you are interested in watching other material, I say go look at my other vlogs, look at my other videos if you are a mother, or if you know any other moms, expecting moms, or your toddler mom. Come join this journey with me. We're in it together. I got other swimsuits. I had bought this last year for my birthday, but I do have other swimsuits, and it's like a bra top. I had it since I was like younger, and then I got another one that I bought that I couldn't fit last year. I might be able to fit it this year, I don't know, but that one is like long sleeve like this. It doesn't have any sides like this, and then it has like shorts to go with it, but I haven't took the time to go downstairs and find it, so I want to show y'all what I got now. I just want to compare, because if you saw my birthday vlog, you might remember how it fit on me. You might not, because I might have been too embarrassed to like show what my body looked like. But I remember, I'm not sucking my stomach in either. But like, no, if you remember or you watch my shorts, then you know what my back looked like. Like, I think you can see my love handles and everything. So this is what my back looks like right now. So progress. This ties into the lifestyle. I'm trying to hide that I got on the body. This ties into the lifestyle change that I mentioned in one of my shorts, because I don't like diets. I don't like fads. I don't like any of that. I just like slow and steady. Whenever I've lost weight, slow and steady was always better. Whenever I was like rushing it, I did lose the weight quickly, but then I gained it almost just as easily as I lost it. And so I don't want to do that. And that's a longer story. If I ever get to talking about my weight loss journey, or like my weight, composition over the years. I also stopped weighing myself just due to a history of like obsession and how unhealthy that was. I don't weigh myself anymore. I just look in the mirror. But anyway, we're gonna be headed to swimming classes. My sister's gonna record because I'm getting in the water today with Samir. And then I'll see y'all there. Okay, so my camera's working today. Yay. And Gigi is in the swimming pool. I showed y'all me in the pool like last week, but right now Gigi's in the pool with Samir. So I'm gonna try to avoid the other kiddos so you don't see them. Look at that. If the quality, if it looks bad, it's because I'm trying to only show Samir. So oh, she did it. She put him under. Sometimes when I'm driving, like, it's not so much, it's uncomfortable. I feel like that's a better way to describe it than pain. But it's like sometimes when I turn my neck that way, it bothers me. Like,
to the
look
left?
at my blind spot. Yes.
Both sides or just to the left?
This side, both sides are uncomfortable, but it's a different type of feeling.
Yeah, tell me
like,
about it.
This side, I feel like I can't really explain it. When I turn to my right, it's like a
pull?
I feel like somebody's took a grand piano and is playing with the inside of it.
It's like kind of like playing with the chords there. I got
I feel like my descriptions are so absurd.
But that's how it feels to you, and it's like that. It creates that picture in your brain, which I love.
Okay.
And then so it's showing us different tissues or different things that are contributing to the same area. Because in that area, we got the neck bones, we got the upper back bones, we got ribs coming in through that area. My job is to isolate: is it a bone? Is it a joint? Is it a muscle? Is it a nerve? Or is it a little bit of all of those things?
Okay.
So what we'll do here, and then your brain doesn't let your body stay like that, so then it brings your shoulders up like this, and then it brings in or torque, and we want to see if you have an unlevel pelvis right here, we're going to have a lot of tightness in the muscles, and then that could be contributing to why your calf is tighter. And then what's cool about this picture is one of these things can cause all of these things. So it's like, did it start here? Did it start here? Did it start here? Or do you just have a little bit of everything? Wow. And then as we start fixing and then drop your hands and then just pretend like nobody's watching you. Okay. All right, so then I'm gonna make a couple notes and then I'll tell you what I'm finding. Of your hips and on top of your head. Is
okay.
Okay?
Yes.
So we're gonna have you just look forward. And then you can kind of see, you'll be able to see it in the camera, this right side is higher than your left, so your head is doing this naturally. So that's the right occiput is higher than the left.
Wow.
Now shoulder-wise, so I'm feeling for tension, so I feel that right away. You feel that?
Yes.
So that's a rib. There's another rib right there.
Oh, wow.
I'm definitely feeling that one. And then you start to compensate a lot through the rib cage through sustainable. We're going to fix everything. You feel that muscle tension right there? Mm-hmm. Now turn your head this way. You see how that got a little bit lighter? Yes. This is where your brain thinks your head is. So that map of what I was talking about of your brain having a good map of where you are in space, your brain thinks your head is like this. So we got to fix that.
Yo, I feel immediate relief. I'm gonna go to sleep. I can still feel like some tension, but as a whole, I can tell there's a difference. And one thing I like about chiropractors is like sometimes I feel like I just left a massage. Like if my insurance can cover it, I'm like, this is thebomb.com. Like, yeah, it's thebomb.com. But I do also want to say, one thing I do is I drink water after, because like similar to when you get a massage, you should work on your hydration, because doing certain things, if I remember correctly, doing certain things or getting relief for your bones or just your body tissues, can release like toxins that were held, and so it can cause you to have like headaches. So drinking water or working on your hydration is helpful during that time. But I do want to say, like, I feel better. Like, I'm gonna start telling people, like, I'm gonna start saying to people, do you need a chiropractor? Like, if it seems like they got an attitude, do you need a chiropractor? I haven't had an attitude, but I can see how it can contribute to an attitude, because you hold on to things you don't even know. Like, they're in you, you feel it. So that's the chiropractor. I'm about to go home, take a shower, do my eyebrows, and work on some skincare stuff. He has an initial cost, and then after that, it's the initial cost for your first appointment costs more. And I don't think he doesn't take the insurance at the moment, but what I do is I use my FSA card. So of course this is not for everybody, because the insurance won't be covered. And it's always great if you can go somewhere where the insurance is covered. But for anybody who has the FSA card, HSA card, or whatever, or just it's like it's worth it.
Good. Lift up here. Hold that. How was the weekend for you?
I don't even remember it. I'm always forgetful.
Oh my gosh! Somebody asked me this morning, like, "What'd you do?" And I'm like, I don't remember. Well,
Eat,
I
sleep,
have 2 young
poop.
kids too, so right there, middle touch like that. So we're gonna get you here first. Now hold that again. Yeah. Now lay on your back for me, please.
I think my neck definitely got
Really?
tight. I'm trying to stay strong and remember proper
Oh, it's hard to do that. Yeah, that's good right there. That's okay. Okay. So I'm testing that C1. Then we come up here and we feel that tension. The right side definitely feels tighter than the left side. You can kind of feel that's probably tender as heck right there, right? All right, so what we're going to do is you're going to lift this head up all the way off the table.
So you're not
And
the
turn
doctor.
like that. We got a little bit of it already. Now chin elevated. And we're going to give you a little push.
Oh my God. That felt good.
We fixed Mom. We fixed it.
No,
We gotta watch out for these balls, though. I'm gonna protect your face. Lift up right here. Don't let me push. This is my son. Like, oh my gosh, when my wife's getting adjusted, he is just like all that. And it's not enough to be near her. He's got to be like
on her.
over. Let go. We're gonna do the same thing. Go up.
Oh, I'm jealous
Go
now.
this way.
Oh,
I was
ready for
moving
that.
today. Those are great. I could have barely even touched that out of the way. Lift this up again. Hold it right there. Push back. Push back at me.
Oh, sorry.
Good. Now hold here. Let's just check cranial bones while we're here. That all feels good. That feels good too. I gotta poke your collarbone. Is that cool?
Yes.
All right. So this is checking basically the muscle that turns your head. Now let go. This side is not great. So right side again.
It feels funny.
Yeah, it's weird, right? So when this is testing and it makes your arm go down, it's telling me that the thymus organ is under stress. And the thymus helps improve and boost your immune system. So this is a really common one right now with the seasons change and then everybody's getting sick. You might not be sick, but your body's fighting through something right now. There it goes. Right there. We're gonna give you a push, deep breath, load all the way out. You're moving great today. Lift this up, hold it. What you can do is you can actually take that, like something like a lacrosse ball, put it here, lean against the wall or lay on the ground, and then you just lean into it and it kind of digs on that muscle in a nice
like
therapeutic way.
I will say, like, sometimes I have moments, I don't think I mentioned this the very first time we met, but I have moments where my calves feel, I just have this constant urge to like keep massaging them or stretching them.
Yeah, just kind of like move them.
I don't know, I really can't describe the feeling that makes me do that, but it's like, oh my God, like it's,
It sounds like postpartum restless leg, when it constantly just feels like, oh, like I need to like stretch, go up my tippy toes, I need to push my leg down, I need to massage. It just feels kind of like it just feels off in that area.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I did not. I'm like,
So what I would recommend, I'll send you a link for it, but I'd recommend a magnesium lotion. What my wife, since both kids, does that, and she does a little massage on her calves before she goes to bed with the magnesium lotion, and it just
ended up helping. It was activated charcoal.
Yep.
And
absolutely.
now I can use any deodorant.
Oh, nice. Yeah, activated charcoal is a game changer for a lot of different things. I just like to keep it on hand for when anytime you're like get sick, food poisoning, whatever. That would be great. Now lift up here. Oh yeah. Because activated charcoal binds toxins, right? And food poisoning would be like, relax, a bacteria problem a lot of the time. And it's basically like toxic bacteria in your gut or rolling around in your bloodstream. Your body freaks out, tries to get it out of your system. The activated charcoal binds to it, and then it helps to pull it out of your system. Yep. With your left side. Good. Squeeze your legs together. Good. Now I'm thinking, is there something at the foot? Because your foot wants to cave in like this. So are these muscles not activating, pulling you back? We're gonna see. Hold that up. Keep it right there. Yeah, you see how that's really hard to do? Hold that up again. Don't let me push it down. No. But then if I irritate that a little bit, now try. That's how it's supposed to feel. So this muscle right here that helps pull your foot up is not activating, and it's allowing your foot to fall in like this.
So it's like my foot falls in like this, and it goes out like that. And then
your leg wants to go out like that. So yeah, it's just seeing what's going on. But I would say this is incredibly average. I find these on multiple people every day. Let me have this.
I really dislike how knock-kneed I am.
Yeah?
I really do. I blame it for everything. I'm like, oh, my shoes.
Hold that up. Wear in a weird way?
Wear on the inside of it.
Push out with your little toe.
Oh, wait.
That's real good. Okay, now you can flip.
They wear and tear on the outside.
Rib feels okay, both sides. No fixations. Shoulder blade. So this wants to camp out over here. Oh, 100%.
Thank you, by the way.
You're all set.
I'm excited.
I love it.
Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate you. Good job. I'm reading one and you reading one too. Okay. And y'all, the ADD in me wants to sit here and tell y'all, which I probably said it already. I'm mad because this is not even on the wall. And I messed it up because it was a spot that I think I knew it wasn't. I ignored it. And